What's up, guys? Welcome to Go Motoring YouTube channel. In Knoxville, Tennessee yesterday it was 68 degrees and sunny. There's been a little bit of a change in the weather overnight, but we're not complaining because it's beautiful. But that's not the reason for today's video. This is not a meteorologist channel. This is a car channel, a car YouTube channel devoted for enthusiasts. Specifically, what I'm going to be talking about today is providing you really with an update on whether I'm going to perform a 3-stage intake manifold conversion from my 2007 BMW 328i. It comes equipped with the N52 B30 engine, producing 230 horsepower and 200 pound-foot of torque. If you watched my last video, I was kind of 50-50 on whether I wanted to make the investment to make that conversion. As you already know, I already have a 3-stage intake manifold, and then I was determining whether I want to go ahead and make the investment of purchasing the tune and installing the 3-stage intake manifold, or if I wanted to make an even bigger investment and buy the headers from Active Auto Works to produce even more horsepower. If the tune were to work as advertised with those two mods, we should see a gain of about 30 to 40 horsepower, and I think maybe like 30 to 40 pound-foot of torque as well. So I concluded last week's video, not sure whether I wanted to go ahead and do that. So the purpose of today's video is to provide you with an update on my decision. All right, guys, so here's the update. As you all know, I already had the 3-stage intake manifold, which is what you see here. This came from a BMW 330i. So it comes with these valves already. They're already attached to this intake manifold. And then I'm sure you're already noticing there's another box of goodies here, right? So let's see what's in this box of goodies, guys. First, look at this little box here. It's got the Active Auto Works logo on it. Let me kind of show you what's inside. Should have done that differently. There. That's so funny. I knew I was gonna have to.
Shake it, honey.
All right, so nice little box. Look at that. I'm always gonna think there's like some sort of a trick jewelry in here. All right, so let's see what we got here. Oh, look at that. So this is going to be the tune for the 3-stage intake manifold. You kind of plug this into your car computer, then you upload it into an email file. You send it to Active Auto Works, and they send you the tune back. So that's what comes in there. You need this for the 3-stage intake manifold to function as intended. The car computer needs to recognize that there's a 3-stage intake manifold in here. There's these valves. So did I stop there? If I were just to get the 3-stage intake manifold and the tune, should be producing the stock BMW 330i numbers, 255, 260 horsepower, 220 pound-foot of torque. But my thought was, hey, if we're going to go ahead and make this investment, let's pretty much go all the way. So in addition to the tune and the 3-stage intake manifold, what we have here are the headers from AA. Should I take these out, you think? Probably that. And here's what they look like. Alright, so it looks like we're going to go ahead and go through with this mod, guys. As mentioned, still looking for a dyno shop here in town so that I can get a control group established. If I don't have much success with that, then we may just assume that, you know, the car still has 230 horsepower, 200 pound-foot of torque, notwithstanding the fact that it's, you know, 14 years old at this point, has 120,000 miles. We'll get this stuff installed. After we get it installed, we're definitely going to put it on a dyno. I'm going to try to show you what the gain was in terms of horsepower and the torque. And I'm also obviously going to do a driving review and explain, you know, what the difference feels like from the driver's perspective. So appreciate your watching. Stay tuned. There's going to be at least a couple more series of videos on that 3-stage intake manifold conversion for the 2007 BMW 328i. and looking forward to taking you guys on this journey with me. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for more videos. Thanks, guys.
Go, go, motoring! Go,